Vice President General Dr. CGD Chiwenga is drawn a firm line in the sand. Zimbabwe will no longer be a mere supplier of raw materials. His declaration, the exploration of raw materials, no extract, process, beneficiate, and manufacture, is more than a slogan. It's a rallying cry for industrial transformation. Sadapina mashoko buda pangwa ine. Onkonzi vipi konsano chwenka pangwa ine. Awa wachadi zvimafanis. Pangwa ine arikuda kuisa a stop kuzvikananda. Pangwa ine ndo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina pa yendo yachipomsa ronendra mbira chiti. This moment marks a turning point in Zimbabwe's economic policy. General Chiwenga's message is clear. Value addition must happen at home. No more exporting lithium, gold, or platinum in their raw form. Instead, Zimbabwe will harness its resources to build factories, create jobs, and stimulate innovation. This shift is not just about economics, it's about dignity, sovereignty, and long-term prosperity. General Chiwenga is challenging mining companies and investors to build processing plants, train local engineers, and manufacture finished products that can compete global. Give General Chiwenga a chance. If his vision is realized, Zimbabwe could become a continental leader in resource-based industrialization. The raw materials are here. The ambition is clear. Now the nation must rise to meet it. Domash Kanabuda Pangwa in a Tricona Pomsaro, the endorsing VP Constantino Chiwenga, Achita Awa VP Constantino Chiwenga is the best fit. Awa, Koya Pangwa in Ashtungamira Nika Zimbabwe. Awa after Ashtaura Kuti, my raw materials LDM Nika Zimbabwe, they must be processed in here in our own country so that create my jobs and opportunities for the Zimbabweans. But I will make such a of more in what we do. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.